Welcome to Phoenyx787. I'm recording this in a graveyard. This is also my 1000th video on my channel.
Fancy that.
Yep. The majority of the clips in this video are going to be fall foliage, but there's also some eating parts. I didn't record much this week because I've been really busy. So yeah, enjoy Phoenyx787. Is it time for the crunch?
Not as crunchy as I was anticipating, but it is crunchy.
Proceed with crunch.
And then it's homesteaded a crunch.
So we're at the Josoji again, the shrine here, or temple rather.
Just call it a Joji shrine.
Joji shrine. What I'm gonna do is like when I'm gonna come back here on Tuesday, I'm gonna compare the shots that I'm taking to like on Thursday now to what I'm gonna take on Tuesday to show you guys how quickly the leaves change over here. If they do change at all, I don't know yet. It's not Tuesday yet. But here, let me flip the camera around. This tree is already completely losing its leaves. And just look at the ground here. Are you going to proceed with crunch? Not so crunchy. I don't know. Ginkgo leaves aren't that crunchy, are they?
They have to be like roasted in the sun for a couple of days.
So here's a Japanese maple. Look at this branch. That's cool. Go. Forgot I had this. I don't know what's in here anymore. I haven't been here in a while. I dropped the straw. There it is. This is what I ordered. Yeah. Probably not any healthy for me, but it's pretty good. So this train's late. You know what that means? If this train's late, then my train's late. You can just see it, it's just sitting way over there. I don't know what these flowers are, but they sure are pretty. Come on, focus. There we go. Yeah, these are really pretty. Safety first. I've noticed my vlogs have contained a little bit less B-roll than I'd like them to have, so during my lunch I am out here filming B-roll and people are staring at me. That's just the sacrifice I have to make as a YouTuber. Quality B-roll, a stopped freight train. This is some pretty good soup. Attention Japan, a little bit early for this shit. So some nice gentleman downstairs handed me this stuff here, celebrating elevator day. Apparently 1110, it's pronounced elevator here. I don't know, there's a freight train coming. So all this stuff is talking about like, be nice on the elevator, I guess, I don't know. Japan has various memory days for a lot of weird stuff. It's time for wings, it's time for wings, it's time for wings.
I'm hanging out with my friends. Have you met them? Michelle.
Hey, they're pretty
Barbara,
friends.
Barbara 2 and Michelle 3.
Watch them actually be that, their name.
Who's to say?
Yeah.
Let's go find out, shall we?
Whomster is to say.
Whomster is to say. Whomster... Wait, no.
Nice try.
Wings, 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 wings. Ah.
What? Hello?
Whomsters.
Whomsters.
Whomsters. God damn it. Sitting out in front of TY Harbor. I love this place so much. The food here is amazing. The beer here is amazing. It's a nice day. I'm just wearing a t-shirt, but like everyone around me are like, why is that guy wearing only a t-shirt? Yeah, I love this fucking bar. Let me show you why. There's a few restaurants in Cincinnati that have this sort of layout, so this kind of reminds me of home. Oh yeah. Now I'm in Odaiba. I'm going in there. That's Fuji Television. I'm being filmed or something. I don't know. They're like, hey, come here at 6 or whatever. I'm like, okay. I'm early, which is good. I don't know what the hell is going on. I've been sent to two different entrances. No idea what's going on. One bit. Just a bunch of political stuff behind me. And now I got better lighting in here. So apparently all of this stuff was Russian stuff. So we were here to talk about the Russian fake news scandal.
And we all saw through it, and I wonder if that's like okay with the program because we're supposed to be really shocked or something, maybe.
I'm never shocked. Well, now that that's over with, it's time to get some dinner. I'm inside Divers City, but I don't know what to eat. Whenever I come here, I never know what to fucking eat. It's just, I just don't know. There's a teppanyaki place over there, maybe, I don't know. Let's just see what they got, I guess.
Bulgogi.
So I am in this really interesting cafe with my new friend. Hello.
Hello.
Introduce yourself.
Ami.
Ami, right? And this place is famous for omelet rice, or omelette, right? So let's see what they got here. What, are you excited? So this is omelet rice. I ordered mine well done because I'm a scrub, and this is what it normally looks like. So aren't you supposed to like cut it down the? Yeah. Whoa. Looks good. Yeah, take a bite. Oishii. Holy shit, look at this line here. We got here at the right time, like the exact right time, because it is so lined up. Wow, we were like one of the first people in the restaurant, and there was no line. That isn't. Yeah, that's incredible. So if you guys want to come here, get here at like exactly 11 o'clock. The place is called Cafe U. Yeah, Cafe U. Kind of a weird name for a cafe, but god damn, that place is famous. I'm not sure what's going on here, but it involves feet and fake snow, so oh, it's moving. What? Alrighty then. So I found a new fan of mine. Ready? You blow into this thing, there's a sensor here and it does that. More train troubles. At least this time the line I'm trying to take is running. So it's next week, Wednesday. And everything's starting to change. You can tell because there's old people everywhere.
My leaves bring all the old people to the yard. Damn right, they're leaving their yard.
I came here to get spaghetti. Ain't no spaghetti here today. They're closed, so I gotta find my other place to get spaghetti. Why do I sound like an Italian? You guys remember Ami from the other day, from the omelet rice place? She invited me to hang out again, so we're going to Bear Burger. Let's go. Sorry for the cheesy transition there, I'm cringing too. So I'm at Tokyo Plaza with, she's kind of down there. She's a bit short here. Well, you're also a step below me. There we go. This is your first time at Bear Burger, right? So, looking forward to it? Alright. Well, of course, burgers, right? いろんな種類あるね. So, lots of different burgers. I'm hungry. Let's eat. Everything here at Bear Burger is organic. Even the beer is organic. Organic lemonade.
Yeah.
You want to try it?
ああ、美味しいわ。
Oishi. That's good. Kanpai. Thirsty Thursday's video tomorrow. What? It's really sweet. Wow, that is really nice.
飲むよ。
Alright, so she's gonna try this for the first
乾
time.
杯。美味しいよ。
You like it?
うん。でもそんなスイートじゃないよ。
Yeah, it's not that bad.
Not bad.
So here's my burger. I got some salsa on it. It's not focusing. There it goes. Of course, the sweet potato fries. Sweet potato fries and your burger.
そうそう。
Ready to try it?
ジャスミン。ジャスミンです。
あ、美味しい。
Yeah, they show?
うん、スイートポテト。
Ah. You should try your burger.
え、バーガーちょっとむずいから。どうやって食べるの？
You pick it up like this.
これいらん。これいらん。
You can use it.
無理だ
It's
ね。
going everywhere.
やばいやばい。やっぱ
Put it in the sleeve thing. All right.
オッケー。
Now that we've got that sorted out. It's good.
この半分しか食べてない。
Oishiso.
いや美味しいわ。
どうだった? How was it?
美味しかった。なんか、
It was good.
うん。で、味も濃すぎない。
So it wasn't. Huh?
味
Okay, I don't understand what you're. I don't understand that phrase. ごめんなさい.
味も濃すぎずにいい感じ。
Okay, so it was really good.
いや。
She enjoyed it.
でスイートポテトも美味しい。
Yeah, she likes these fries. We got shakes. Here's the shake. It's never thick, but yeah. Put it in here.
これスプーンで
The spoon day. You can like dump it in from your cup.
こんな
Yeah, it's,
やばい
it's so thick. It's not even coming off of the thing.
やばい飲んで飲むわ
Yeah, you can either drink it or like dip it with the fries.
それ後ですあ、美味しいわ
Oishi?
めっちゃ美味しいめっちゃ美味しいわこれ
I told you it's good.
あ、めっちゃ美味しいわ
Fries in the shake.
Not bad
It's the American way of eating a shake. This is so satisfying. Alright, I'm heading home. That does it for this week's Piece of Z. Thank you guys for 50 episodes. You guys have been supporting this thing, and I've been enjoying making these videos a lot more than a lot of other videos. Wow, 50 episodes. Thank you guys so much for your support. See you on the next video. Take it easy, Phoenicians.